Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how you can create custom field in task in Bitrix24. So first of all, you have to click on task and project. Once you have clicked on task and project, you will get an option to create a task. Once you click on task, create task, you will get an option to create a custom field. As of now, you can see there are multiple fields as of now which have been created over here. So we will gonna show you how to create. Once you click on add field, you will get an option of string, number, date and time, and true and false. So if you wanted to create it in the string form, then you can choose a string. As of now, you can see we have created a string field. So this is how you can create a field in the string. If you wanted to click in the numeric way, you can create in this numeric number ways. Okay. So this is how you can create in the numeric way. Same ways you can use it in the date and time. If you wanted to give a date, you can save it and you can directly choose a date from here itself. And same you can do for the true and false. Basically, this is a boolean where you can choose a true and false. So you can just save it, and this is how custom fields is created in task. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.